Welcome to Next Gen Auto Hub, your gateway to the future of mobility. In the grand tapestry of American automotive history, few names evoke the same sense of timeless elegance and prestige as the Lincoln Continental. Introduced in 1939, the Continental wasn't just another luxury car, it was a statement of style, sophistication, and design artistry that would go on to define American luxury for decades. The story of the 1939 Lincoln Continental is one of innovation born from passion, and of a car that forever changed how the world viewed luxury automobiles. The tale begins with Edsel Ford, the only son of Henry Ford, and a man with an eye for beauty and refinement. In the late 1930s, Edsel sought to create a car that reflected his personal vision of elegance, something distinct from the heavy, ornate designs of the era. He wanted a car that could stand shoulder to shoulder with the finest European grand tourers, yet retain an unmistakably American soul. This wasn't to be a mass-produced vehicle, it was to be a rolling piece of art, a car built for the connoisseur. Edsel shared his dream with Eugene T. Gregorie, Lincoln's chief stylist. Together, they began working on a special project in 1938, using the Lincoln-Zephyr as a foundation. What emerged was a long, low, and graceful automobile that radiated sophistication from every curve. The prototype, completed in early 1939, was intended as Edsel Ford's personal vacation car, built just in time for his trip to Florida. When Edsel arrived in Palm Beach with the sleek new vehicle, the response was immediate and overwhelming. People stopped him on the streets, curious and captivated by its flowing lines, long hood, and rear-mounted spare tire, a design element that would become the Continental's signature look. Friends, socialites, and even wealthy collectors approached Ford, asking where they could buy one. It was clear that Edsel's personal project had struck a chord with the public. Recognizing its potential, Lincoln quickly approved limited production of the car. Thus, in 1939, the Lincoln Continental officially entered the automotive world. Only 25 examples were built that year, each meticulously handcrafted, making them some of the rarest and most exclusive cars of their time. Every Continental carried an aura of bespoke craftsmanship, elegant, understated, and refined in a way few American cars had ever been. The design of the 1939 Continental was a masterclass in proportion and simplicity. It featured a long, graceful hood, minimal chrome accents, and smooth fenders that flowed seamlessly into the body. The rear Continental kit, a term later used to describe the exposed spare tire mounted at the back, gave the car a distinctive silhouette. Inside, the cabin was pure luxury, hand-stitched leather, polished wood trim, and an Art Deco-inspired dashboard created an atmosphere of sophistication that rivaled the finest European marques. Powering the 1939 Continental was Lincoln's Zephyr V12 engine, a 4.8-liter powerhouse that produced around 120 horsepower. While modest by today's standards, it was smooth, quiet, and perfectly suited for grand touring. The car wasn't built for speed, it was built for serenity, for effortless cruising down long country roads, embodying the very essence of refined travel. The Continental quickly became known as America's most beautiful car. In fact, in 1941, it was recognized by the Museum of Modern Art as one of the finest examples of industrial design, forever cementing its place in design history. This wasn't just a luxury car, it was an artistic achievement that bridged the gap between engineering and elegance. But beyond its aesthetics and engineering, the 1939 Lincoln Continental represented something deeper, a turning point for the Lincoln brand. It marked Lincoln's transition from being merely a division of Ford into a true symbol of American prestige. It set the tone for decades of Continental models to come, influencing design philosophy well into the modern age. Even today, when one beholds a 1939 Continental, it commands attention. Its proportions are timeless, its presence unmatched. Each detail, from the gently sloping fenders to the subtle chrome accents, speaks of a time when cars were more than transportation, they were expressions of art and individuality. The 1939 Lincoln Continental remains a tribute to Edsel Ford's vision, a car that dared to blend American confidence with European grace. It captured the imagination of its era and became a beacon of automotive artistry. And though more than 8 decades have passed, its beauty and legacy continue to inspire the designers and dreamers of today. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, where innovation meets imagination.